Hello all. Most utilized space in our home is kitchen and in fridge. Basic hygiene of any home starts from its fridge, but it is often neglected. In this video, we'll see how to clean, disinfect and organize a fridge in 5 simple steps. Step 1. If you have a single door refrigerator, defrost it and switch off the power. Step 2. Declutter. Check for the expiry dates of the products and throw the stuffs which you don't need anymore. This is the most important step. Don't skip this step. You would be surprised to see how much you have dumped and you'll be left with more storage space. If any veggies and fruits have spoiled, please throw that also. Step 3. Empty your fridge and remove all the shelves and racks. Give it a nice wash and dry it thoroughly. This step removes the bad odor. Step 4. Don't use harsh chemicals or soaps to clean the fridge. I have taken juice from one medium-sized lemon. I am adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda to it. Add equal quantity of water and pour it in a spray bottle. I am adding clove essential oil. You can use any essential oil or you can skip this step if you don't have essential oils. This will give a nice fragrance. Now your homemade fridge cleaning liquid is ready. You can use a paper towel or cotton cloth to wipe off. Spray the solution over the stains and over all the areas of the fridge and wipe off. All the stubborn stains will come off easily without much effort. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just dip the cotton cloth in the solution and wipe off the fridge. This solution is a great degreaser, disinfectant and freshener. You are not only wiping the stains off but also the germs. Spray and clean the gasket of the fridge where most of the dirt got accumulated. Give a nice wipe with a cotton cloth. Clean the outside of the fridge the same way. Step 5. Always store the vegetables in the vegetable basket provided as the temperature settings will be best for storing vegetables. Always separate the vegetables in a cloth bag to increase the shelf life of the vegetables. You don't need to buy any fancy vegetable storage bags for this purpose. You can reuse the shopping bags to store the veggies. I have segregated all the nuts, grains and spices in one basket and all the flours in other basket. Now it's convenient for me to take out the required ones easily. Let's see the final look of my fridge. In freezer section, I have kept milk cream in one box to make butter and homemade butter in another box. The section below the freezer is the coldest part of the fridge, so keep your milk products and leftovers in that space. I have separated milk products in a separate basket. In the middle section, I have kept my dosa batter. It can be used to store chapati dough also. Next comes the grocery section. Below that is the vegetable basket. In the door, I have kept masala boxes, face packs and stuffs used for baking. The next 2 racks are free where you can store your eggs, water bottles and bread. The last rack I have used to store jams, pickles and sauces. Thus I have segmented them for easy accessibility. Let's see some simple tips to maintain the fridge organized. Always keep a kitchen towel around the handles of the fridge to avoid making it dirty often. These types of fridge covers are available in the market which helps to store frequently accessed items such as garbage bags, scissors, and some notepad and pencil so that we can make a note of things that is out of stock. Other side I have used to store one shopping bag and vegetable storage bags. Third tip, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a plastic cup, add 1 teaspoon of any spices powdered and keep it in one corner of your fridge. This helps in maintaining your fridge smell free. This step is highly useful if you are a non-vegetarian. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell button for more healthy videos. Thank you.